Welcome back to Rec Trends channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you about Mazda's latest developments in their SUV lineup. Get ready to say goodbye to one model and welcome a brand new addition. So let's jump right into it. Mazda has recently announced some major changes for the upcoming year. The 2023 model year of the Mazda CX9 will be its last, as the company bids farewell to this big SUV. In an official press release, Mazda revealed that they will discontinue the CX9 in the United States after 2023, paving the way for an exciting replacement. The CX9, first introduced during the 2015 Los Angeles Auto Show, made its mark with a fresh design and powerful engines. It featured a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 250 horsepower. The second-generation CX9 was built on Mazda's innovative Skyactiv platform and showcased the brand's new Kodo design philosophy. Now, let's talk about what's coming next. In January 2023, Mazda unveiled the highly anticipated successor to the CX9, the all-new 2024 CX90. This new model takes the CX9's place in Mazda's SUV lineup and offers even more sophistication and luxury. With an available inline-six-cylinder turbo engine, the CX90 sets the bar higher for upscale SUVs. According to Mazda, the CX9 has successfully fulfilled its mission of providing a unique blend of utility, performance, design, and premium sensibilities. It has paved the way for Mazda's next generation of vehicles, and now it's time for the CX90 to take center stage. But what about the final year of the CX9? The 2023 model comes with some enhancements and more standard equipment. However, there is a change in the trim lineup. Mazda has decided to discontinue the entry-level sport trim, making the touring trim the new base grade. The 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine remains, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. As for the pricing, the 2023 CX9 starts at $40,025, including destination and handling taxes. Now, let's talk about the new CX90. With a starting price of $40,970, including a mandatory destination charge of $1,375, the CX90 is only slightly more expensive than its predecessor. However, keep in mind that if you go all out with the options and upgrades, the fully loaded CX90 can reach a luxurious price tag of nearly $68,000. And that wraps up our update on Mazda's SUV lineup. We hope you enjoyed learning about the farewell of the CX9 and the exciting arrival of the CX90. Stay tuned for more automotive news and updates on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.